What? Alright guys, yesterday we got everything mocked up and put on what's left of the bed. Right now we've been fitting the tailgate. For repops, it works pretty good. But anyway, we're going to start tightening everything up. And then once we get everything tightened up, we should be pretty much good to go with the bed. We do have a patch panel that we got to do on the right side, but we don't have that yet. So let's finish this thing. I don't know, this one's going to have something. It's going to have to go up or down or sideways. Probably push down on it or something. Tighten all these up. We'll put these in first. What? We'll put these in first.
There ain't none in them? Yeah, put them in there.
See 2 bolts. Yeah, there, I'll just go be a little bolt in. I wouldn't try to drill all the way through it. There you go. Yeah, it moved. Now it beat. Hold on. I felt it go down. What we're trying to do, we're trying to close up this gap right here with the bed. It was up quite a bit. We drilled this spot weld. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. See, that's about even with this side. It's about even. This side's actually probably a little bit higher.
Well, that can be all in your tailgate adjustment.
Yeah, we could raise the tailgate up.
We're gonna leave this one down. I'm gonna get a clamp, pull that in. We'll get it right where I want it, and I will.
Yeah.
And that looks good.
And 30 minutes ago, you was ready to run over with the backhoe.
Yeah, well, jump still, but it's better.
Whenever you're ready,
Push it hard.
Good. Alright guys, so today we were working on the cab mounts. We're not having too good of luck. The front two broke. The actual bolt broke on the left front and the right. It's spinning. The backs, they did come loose, and the front core supports did come loose too. Unfortunately, we're going to have to cut the floor to get to the boat in the front. We're going to try not to have to pull the seat and stuff out. We're just going to try to pull the carpet up. I think we're going to let it down right now and see what we got. Alright, so we got the carpet and seat and everything out. We're gonna have to cut in this general area to at least get a nut to weld inside of there, or the nut on that side over there that broke loose. This one I don't know if we're gonna be able to say, but we might be able to tack that one.
come off. Right up so. Let's see what happens.
Ready?
Yeah. Leaving all them loose because when we get the bed on there, we got to line it all up.
Yeah. So one of the next things we're going to do, we're going to take the inner fender wells out. This is definitely going to be a job. Literally all kinds of things attached to it. Jack, windshield wiper fluid, got the battery on this side. So we're going to start tearing into this and see what we all have to take off.
Things there off and take it this way. There we go. Both loose. It'll come off. That'll come off. You got it? Let's see. It will come off. Lay it up there, brother. Outside? Yeah, just take it out and on around back there, I guess. There ain't no point in leaving it in here. Alright, go. Drop it in again. Now go. Now this is what I was worried about. Pick it up. Step on that spring. You gotta match the spring. You gotta go over top of the shock mount. Alright, now you're up. There you go. Alright, that's about where it's gonna go.
Alright, let's get them brackets sitting on there.
We'll have to go.
Come in.
Alright guys, so we did a little cleanup. The frame, as ready as it's going to be, paint. We're going to start at the front, kind of work our way back. We got a bunch of cardboard that we're going to lay down, and then this thing will be ready to go. It'll look like off the frame restoration. But we're going to go ahead and sling some paint all over my brother's floor and get it nice and broken. So let's get into it.